Hello friends, hope you are well. TechManPat here. Welcome back to an unboxing, this time of a laptop and something on the side, a Thunderbolt 4? Yeah, dock, Chroma from Razer. That's right. If you have been following this channel for a little while, you may know of my love-hate relationship with Razer. Well, for the first time, thanks to Razer, they've sent me a laptop to unbox and review. This, my friends, is the Blade 15 2021 model, early 2021. I kind of feel like it's still early 2021. We can't travel, so it is what it is. Now, I haven't read much more about it than it is just a Razer laptop. It has Intel inside from the stickers on the side, and it's pretty hefty. So friends, join me for a little bit of an unboxing and overview of this brand new laptop, and the description will have the proper model number. But I want to go into this pretty fresh. So make sure you like this video if you did and subscribe, and let's get started by rolling the intro. Let's start with the Thunderbolt dock. This is pretty cool. It is Razer branded Thunderbolt dock. We got for gamers, by gamers. Thunderbolt dock, I guess a few instructions what it comes with, but I actually just want to see the dock. I'm not really familiar with Thunderbolt docks. I have not used them in the past, but nowadays all the laptops come with very little amounts of actual USB-C and USB, so this is going to be really good. And Thunderbolt, what it can and cannot do, well, it can do a lot more than just standard USB. It can power actual monitors, not just power I suppose, but also give video out via USB-C, and if they're using the Thunderbolt type connection. We've got a power adapter here, quite long. It's quite bricky for just one of these things. Like, yeah, I mean, it's quite strong. We've got power in, which is obviously from this thing right here. It's 135 watts. That's a lot of power. We've got another couple of USB-Cs, 1, 2, 3. We've got USB type A, I suppose, 3 of them, and we've got Ethernet. And then we've got the connection to the computer, and I think that's a 3.5mm jack and a memory slot, memory card. That's pretty cool. We've got the logo, the nice snakes right here, and we've got a really thick rubber bottom. And I 100% believe that around the edge is RGB. We're gonna plug that in a second. That sits really nicely. What else is in here? More cardboard and hopefully some USB-C cables. Now, one thing I would like to let the audience know is that all USB-Cs are not the same. They're in fact a little bit different. So if you watched a video a little while back from me, you may have noted that one of my cables got a little bit warm when plugging into a power outlet to power a little USB-C monitor. And so I think that not all cables are the same, but here we go, nice thick, not very long, but I guess that goes into the computer anyway, so it doesn't need to be too particularly long. We've got power, and it looks like I need an adapter, which is fine. This is pretty standard. I also have an adapter for it there, so we can obviously sort that out in a moment. And that is the dock. Let's move on to the actual laptop. Okay, this must be the brick. Ooh, look at that. That is a hefty brick. This does have an RTX card in it. I did see a little NVIDIA logo somewhere around here, but this is really hefty. Wow. How many watts? This is 230 watt power, and it's got a proprietary plug right here. It's some sort of 3 pins with a center pin. That braided cable though is fantastic. Holy crap, wow, it's so stupidly thick and really nice. This is brilliant. I like the fact that it's angled this way. I wonder where it fits on the actual laptop. Let's keep going. Look at this, oh, it's great, I love it, I love it. I have not seen a high quality one in a long time. This is the laptop. Oh, we got ourselves some power, and again, we need an adapter. That logo. I've always thought Razer makes very good looking products. Quality-wise, we're gonna find out. Wow. Go green with Razer. Razer commitment to sustainability. We believe that giving gamers the unfair advantage shouldn't come at a cost to the planet. Ah, very clever. And here is the laptop. Oh, it's got a bit of a plastic packaging in there, but I'm pretty sure that's recyclable. There's a little box here. Let's just It's a heavy laptop. I can tell you right now it is a heavy laptop, but let's have a look what this comes with. We've got protection stuff, bit of instruction, and is there, oh, there's a little wipe to clean your laptop, but that's about it. Oh, yes, please. Stickers, of course. How can you not have stickers in a laptop? Pull it out here, pull out the tab, and let's start from the bottom. 2 bottom firing extremely large fans. Nice, really thick rubber feet. 2 of them to keep a little bit of area above it. We've got an exhaust right here and a lot of space for the monitor to come up. A bit of a fingerprint magnet, but that's okay, and that's the bottom. Really nice, clean, very, very clean. On the top, we've got the beautiful green Razer logo. Try saying that really fast multiple times. And of course on the side, let's have a look. We've got a memory card slot, USB-C, USB type A, probably USB 3, HDMI out, Kensington lock on the side, and on the other side 2 more USBs, that really fancy looking power plug, and a USB-C and a 3.5mm jack. And my God, the edges are sharp and this laptop feels absolutely amazing. Let's close the box and use it as a little bit of a stand. So again, thanks to Razer for sending this for a review and unboxing, and wow. A 360 Hz, 15.6 Full HD. How is this not a thing all the time, right? It's supposed to always be 1080p. At this size, it's just useless to have a bigger screen. We have a keyboard without the numpad. That's okay. We've got a really nice large pad right here, and it feels really nice and clicky. That's incredible. The keys feel really nice. They're not too mushy. No, they feel pretty good. We've got large speakers here, and this has a GeForce RTX 3080, 8 GB of GDDR6 VRAM. This has got a 3080 in it. A 3080, well, it is a laptop GPU, so that's one thing to note. We've got the on button right here. I'm going to press it anyway. THX sound, Core i7, 10th generation. Brilliant. 360 Hz screen, and it has a camera. Fantastic. I've turned it on. Let's have a quick look. Of course, RGB keyboard. How could you not? Now, all I have to say is, okay, fine, I'm going to take the sticker off. I'm sorry, because I just really want to see it as a clean black. Razer, every time, it's always so good looking. This feels absolutely fantastic. I mean, imagine, this is great design. It's also very aesthetically pleasing, but most of all, it's just sharp and just looks great. And I would love to have this laptop out at work. And it doesn't look too gamery, obviously apart from the RGB keyboard, but. So while I start the recovery process, because I don't know what the password on this laptop is, interesting to note, to get into recovery mode, the Razer recovery mode, it's F9 when you boot it up from a cold start. So that's really interesting to know if you didn't know that before. We're gonna recover the system, we're gonna do a full review, but I just wanna talk about the feeling of this laptop. This California designed Razer laptop looks absolutely amazing. We've got a colored light up logo on the back. It's gorgeous. I mean, take into account this is not a MacBook device, but it's certainly priced like one. It has that little camera there. It has a 360 Hz high refresh rate monitor, and I cannot say enough, this is the most beautiful laptop I have ever seen. And I spent a little while clicking around on the mouse, and it feels fantastic. This is a really nice large trackpad, and it's really impressive how smooth it is. I'm really looking forward to reviewing it. Let me know what you guys think. I will post the price of it right now. It seems I received United States stock, so I will swap that around to a non-United States plug. It's extremely thin. It has a 3080. It's metal on both sides, which is always good to see. It's got a little black Razer logo here. It's really stealthy from a laptop point of view. Friends, thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to see the full review of this absolutely beautiful laptop. It is outstandingly gorgeous, and you know what? I feel like it can't age. This is a large laptop. Like, it's got a big screen, big touchpad, keyboard. It's so nice with side speakers. It seriously reminds me of an Apple. It's California designed, but nonetheless, this is certainly a prized possession for any Windows user. I think anyone who doesn't like Apple, I mean, you can get the feeling of having an Apple, especially spending the amount, but my God, it's a beautiful, I cannot say enough. It's a fantastically looking laptop. Make sure to stay tuned for the full review. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video if you did, and we'll see you all in another one. Bye!